Hello 9th standard. Today we will revise exercise 2nd C. So first question of this exercise. A sum is invested at compound interest compounded yearly. If the interest for 2 successive years is given, you have to calculate the rate of interest. So what we will do? If we subtract both the interest, so whatever will come, that come interest for 1 year. So difference between the compound interest of 2 successive years is equal to 7,410 minus 5,700. When we subtract these, what we will get? We will get rupees 1,710. So this is the interest for 1 year. So we will take this interest 1710 and principal 5,700 time 1 year, and what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate rate. So rate is interest into 100 upon principal into time. So what is the interest? 1710 into 100 upon principal is 5,700, time is 1. Here zeros are cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 3 fives are 15, 3 sevens are 21 and 0, 19 ones are 19, and here we get 30% rate of interest. So this only we have to find. Now we will do question number 5. In 5th question, Mohit invests rupees 8,000 for 3 years at a certain rate of interest compounded annually. At the end of the first year, the amount is 9,440 rupees, and you have to calculate here 3 parts. The first one, rate of interest, the second one, amount at the end of the second year, and the third part, the interest occurred in the third year. So what is given? 5th question, first part, principal is rupees 8,000, amount is rupees 9,440. If we subtract amount and principal, then what we will get? We get interest. Amount minus principal, 9,440 minus 8,000 will get rupees. If we subtract 1,440. So this is our interest. We have to calculate rate. Rate is equal to simple interest into 100 upon principal into time. Because this amount is for 1 year, so time will be 1 year here. We will take simple interest 1,440 into 100. Principal we will take 8,000 and time we will take 1 year. So these 2 zeros cancel. This 0 cancel by 0. Now you can reduce. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24. And now we divide and we get 18%. So our rate is 18% per annum. So our first part is done. So second part, you have to find amount at the end of second year. So whatever amount was given at the end of first year, it become principal for second year, which is rupees 9,440. So rate we have found 18% per annum time 1 year. So interest for second year will go with the same formula of simple interest, principal into rate into time upon 100. You can reduce them in lowest terms, otherwise you multiply it by 18 and then we can take zeros down and afterwards you can change it into decimals. So when you multiply it with 18, we will get 169920 upon 100. So 2 decimal place, it comes rupees 1699.20. This is our interest for second year. But what is asked? They said amount at the end of second year. So this principal and interest we will add and we get amount at the end of second year. 9 plus 4, 3, 10, 1, 11, 11. So like this, 11,139 rupees 20 paise is our amount at the end of second year. Now in third part you have to calculate the interest for third year. So our third part, whatever amount at the end of second year, it become now principal for third year. So principal for third year, rupees 11,139.20. Same rate, time is 1 year. So interest, principal into rate 18% into time 1 upon 100. So you can reduce or you can multiply them. When you will multiply these two numbers, what you will get? You will get 20050560 upon 100, and this decimal was also there. So now 2 more zeros we are having. So this decimal will shift 2 more digits this side. So we'll get 2005.0560. But in rupees you know that we have only 2 decimal place. So we have to change. This number is more than 5. So 1 we will add in the previous one. So we get 2005.06. This is our interest. Like this you can calculate both the 3 parts. Now we will do question number 8. In this question, what is given? Rupees 8,000 is lent out at 7% compound interest for 2 years. At the end of the first year, rupees 3,560 are returned. Then you have to calculate interest paid for second year. The second part, you have to calculate the total interest paid in 2 years. And the third part, you have to calculate the total amount. So what is given? Principal 8,000 rupees. 8,000. Rate is given 7%. And time is given 2 years. But we have to split the time. We will take as 1 and 1 year because it is compounded yearly. So first of all we find interest for first year. Principal 8,000, rate 7%, time 1 year upon 100. These 2 zeros will be cancelled. We multiply 80 with 7. What we will get? 560. 8 sevens are 56. So this is interest for first year. Now amount at the end of first year, we add principal and interest 8,000 plus 560. And our amount is rupees 8,560. Now what is given in the question? He is returning how much amount? Rupees 3,560 at the end of first year. So he repays or he returned rupees 3,560. So So whatever amount is left, we will subtract both 8560 minus 3560. We will get rupees 5,000. So this 5,000 rupees will be the principal for next year. So principal for second year is equal to rupees 5,000. Same rate. Now we will take time 1 year. So interest for second year, principal into rate is 7%, time 1 year upon 100. So these two zeros are cancelled. We multiply 50 with 7. We will get rupees 350. So this is our first answer. Interest for second year, rupees 350. In second part, what they have asked? The total interest for 2 years. So total interest, what we will do? We add this 560 and this 350. 0, 6 plus 5, 11, 1, 5, 6, 3, 9. So 910 rupees he is paying for both the years. Now in third part, they have asked total amount. So total amount, we will take principal which is given in the starting of the question, which is 8,000, and we will add this interest of both the years and we get rupees 8,910, which will be the final amount. Now question 12th. A man borrows rupees 10,000 at 10% compound interest compounded yearly. At the end of each year, he pays back 20% of the amount of that year. So, you have to find whatever money is left unpaid after 2 years. So, in this, principal is given rupees 10,000. Rate is given 10% per annum and time is given 2 years. Because it is compounded yearly, so what we will do? We split this time into 2 parts, 1 and 1 year. So for first year, with same principal, same rate, time we will take 1 year and we calculate interest. 10,000 into rate 10%, time 1 year upon 100. Zeros cancel by zeros. When we multiply 100 with 10, what we will get? We will get rupees 1,000. So amount at the end of first year, we add this principal and interest and we will get amount. It is rupees 11,000. In question it is given that at the end of every year he is repaying how much money? 20% of the amount of that year. So he repays 20% of, what is amount of this year? 11,000. So 20 into 11,000 upon 100. These two zeros are cancelled and we multiply, what we will get? We get 20 to 100 rupees. So this is, he has repaid. So we subtract 11,000 and this one, whatever left, that we, the principal for second year. So principal for second year is equal to 11,000 minus 20 to 100. We subtract it now. 0, 0, 10 minus 2, 8, 10 minus 2, 8. Means 8,800 rupees will be the principal for second year. So, interest for second year, principal 8,800 into rate is given 10%, time is 1 year upon 100. So, these two zeros are cancelled. So, interest is rupees 880. Amount after 2 years. This 880 we will add in 8,800 rupees. When we add 0, 8, 8 and 8, 16, 1, 8, 1, 9. Means 9,680. Again what he repays? 20% of the amount. What is the amount? 9,680. So he repays 20% of 9,680. We calculate here. These two zeros are cancelled. We multiply them and we will get 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 1, 13, 1, 2 9s are 18, 1, 19. Means 1,936 he repays. So how much money is left? So money left 9,680 minus 1,936. We minus it. 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. Here 16 minus 9, 7. 8 minus 1, 7. Means at the end or after 2 years he has to give rupees 7,744 to clear the amount. So like this, solve all the exercise. Thank you.